It's a bit hot.
No.
Alright, we're back with the Kadett. Unfortunately, since we last saw it, there was no visible work done on it because the little paint imperfections that that kept cropping up took an entire week to fix. The bonnet and the doors are back at the painting place. They couldn't be fixed in situ, but they can be added afterwards. That's fine. And planned for today, we have the sound insulation inside, which is that lot over there.
Wiring.
A wiring loom.
This motherfucker.
And the engine. We'll have a couple of friends coming over to help in their own classic automobiles. When's that happening?
Soon.
Soon, DM. Right. Let's get to it.
These might come handy later.
It's so sticky.
In all crevices.
All the crevices, yeah. I think we need to cut it here, just because of the topology.
It stretches.
It does it? The aluminum doesn't stretch. Or maybe it does. Alright.
It needs a little bit of precision.
And there you have it. This went in exactly as hard as I thought it would.
It is soft.
It's very soft and pliable. It's just a shame that we don't have a sort of benchmark of the car's road noise before this all went in. And I'd actually love to see the difference it makes. There's some extra stuff here for the ceiling and for this shelf here and for inside the whatever that is, the trunk, the boot. But according to his sharp ears, the car is sounding less like an empty tin can already. Right, back to work.
I love it when things are coming together.
So what did you forget?
The part that comes in from the other side.
Alright.
Vent. So I'll just leave it here, and then when we get the part, we'll screw it down.
Whew, alright. This was heavy, but the engine and gearbox are now ready to be mated to the front subframe suspension thingy. Just these two bolts. And then the plan is to roll the car forward on its little wheels and drop it around the engine, so because it's a lot easier to move instead of this heavy lump. Yeah, the wheel is dragging.
Now? Yeah, don't mind the wheel.
When he says no.
Yeah.
Can you lower it a little bit?
Yeah.
A little bit more?
Supposed to go away.
Slowly.
Okay, now look where we are here.
Okay, slowly. Slowly.
And we need to go back.
And the day is done. The engine and the front suspension are in the car, everything's bolted in, but it's approaching 9 p.m. and we're exhausted. So, whew. Sorry for a bit of a short video today, but even with extra help, it was more of a hands-on than a video-on type of day. Oh well. I think next video will be the last, just because
Will be done.
yeah, Alish's friend will stay around and help him for the next 3 days, and by the end the car will be done, because the engine,
What?
that was the most difficult
Yeah.
part to get in, and everything else is just, well, it's basically child's play. It's light items, all apart from the glass, but you know, I think
Glass is light.
it,
It's not really no issue.
it's not like 150 kilos like the engine was. We definitely needed 3 people to get this in. Alright, so here's the way it looks now. The sound insulation's in place, also on the shelf, and there we go, in the trunk. It's missing on the roof. No! I lie!
Of course.
Quelle surprise! Alish was busy while I was away, while I wasn't looking. So yes, all the sound insulation's in. The engine's in, and that's really about it that we managed to do today. Still a good day.
It was a fantastic day.
Yes, and now
Beer.
beer.